What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $300 a day giving your opinions. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And sometime this month of September, 2 lucky people are going to win free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. Very, very soon. And also give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, this method is very easy. You're going to make some good money doing this. All you need is internet connection, a computer, or even a phone to get started. So, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because there's going to be a couple of sites I'm going to show you, and you're not going to be able to make any money if you don't look at the full video. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go to the first site right about now. Okay, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Paydira. So on this website, you're going to give your opinion and you're going to get paid some pretty good money to just giving your opinion. So it says right here, turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience, using all-in-one solution provided by Paydira to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests. Both mobile and desktop users are accepted. So you'll click right here to create an account. And let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. Why are we the best? So they say they have unlimited tasks. You can invite friends and you get instant payment. Reach the minimum payment threshold and request your instant payment easily, 24/7 available. And what we offer. So they offer sign up tasks, complete surveys, upload videos. And you're going to like that. You're going to like this upload videos, guys. And I'm going to show you in a minute how it works. You're going to invite friends. You're going to make some good money from inviting friends, and you'll be able to write about us. So write articles and posts about us and get paid for it. And all in one, all of your earnings are available in one place. Now they got 930K members, 7.877 million completed tasks, and and it seems like it says 15,016 payment sent. So let's scroll down here. It says, why choose us? Paydira is the one and only website that provides multi-stream of income in one single platform. Means you will be able to choose what you do with the existing of these options. So complete tasks that are easy for you, complete surveys about your preferred field, take unlimited quizzes whenever you want, invite your friends and family, avoid working in multiple sites, and get your revenue split and hard to withdraw. So all this sounds good, guys. So let's just look at some proof right quick. Okay, now I'm at the next page here, and it says payment proofs and reviews. So they have a video right here you can look at, and this person right here, he gives his review. He said, hello guys, I received my 4th payment from Paydira. I'm so happy to earn from this site. I enjoy earning from home and can earn some good amount of money. So that person is happy. And as you can see, here's the payment proof right here. If that's too small, once you come to this site, you can just go on here and look on this page and look at the payment proof. And here's another one. Here's his payment proof. You can see this real good. He got $30. And here's another one. This person got $30. Now they probably could have got more, but they want to just go ahead and withdraw as soon as they got $30. And here's one right here. This person got $57, $36. So it doesn't have to be $30. You can withdraw more. Okay guys, that's all I'm gonna show you with the payment proofs. But I have an account, so I want to go ahead and go into the account because I want to show you a couple more ways you can make some money on this site. Okay, I'm inside my account, and as you can see here on the left hand side, here's everything right here that you're going to be clicking on to do tasks. And right here it's going to show your earnings. And check this out. Now it has your referral link. So when you share this link and get your friends and other people to click on it, for every 1,000 click, you can earn $3. And then when somebody go ahead and sign up with this website, you're going to get 10 cents per referral, per valid referral. So guys, you can make some good money. Now, down here are the tasks. So when you click on here, you're going to and complete it. It'd be 48 cents. This one is 21 cents. This one is 9 cents, 5 cents, 8 cents. I know it's very low, but all that can add up. Now, let me show you another way you can make some money on here. So if you go over here where it says submit videos. So when you submit a video, you're going to get 35 cents. Over here, 20 cents, 30 cents. So what you do is when you click here, you submit your video, and they have some rules on here you have to follow. Very simple rules. And then you click down here and submit the video. And it says submit your video on different topics. So how to task, 35 cents. How to survey, 20 cents. So all you're going to be doing is giving your thoughts on this website pertaining to the tasks or surveys or or quiz or payments. So that's all. It's very, very easy. So it might take a minute or two to just go ahead and give your opinion, and boom, you can earn those cents. Now how you make some real good money up to $300. What you're going to do is, let me go back. You're going to use that referral link. Okay, once you get this referral link, you're going to have your own unique referral link. Once you use that and copy that, you'll be able to share it, as you can see here, on all these networks. But I'm going to show you a place where I'm going to show you a site where you'll be able to use it and have thousands and thousands of people there that will click on your link. And you can make maybe $200 to $300 doing this. So let me go ahead and go to that website. All right, I'm at the website and it's Facebook. So I went ahead and looked up a group, and the name of this group is Make Money Online for Free, No Outlay. And as you can see, they have over 38,000 members. So you're going to join this group, and you can just go ahead and start putting your link down. So once you put your link in this group, you're going to get over 1,000 clicks. I'm telling you. So you can easily make $200 to $300 just using this site alone. So that's it, guys. So that's all you have to do is go to Paydira and go ahead and open up an account. Get your referral link, share that on Facebook in that group, submit videos here, and go ahead and do these tasks. And guys, you're going to make some good money. So again, the website is Paydira.com. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I need, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method and the sites that I showed you. And please don't forget to type hashtag The Grind is Real so you can get a chance to win this free money, which will happen this month in September. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, and it's @AppGrind. That's going to increase your chances of winning this free money when I hit this 4,000 subscriber mark. And I have another channel. It's called Random Reg TV. You want to go there and subscribe to that channel. I'm giving away free money there also once I hit 2,000 subscribers. And the last thing I want to tell you guys is I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. On there I talk about tips, strategies, and habits that you can use on a daily basis to start a business, to grow a business, and also to help grow your personal life, just personally, so you can get better as a person. So click on the link below, Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' help. Road to 4,000. Might be in the next video or two. And guys, I really appreciate it. So please share this everywhere, all around the internet. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I'll make videos like this every other day. And one more thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah.
grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah.